You've built an amazing AI application that works perfectly in development until you see the monthly OpenAI bill hitting 4 figures. I spent 4 months testing alternatives like Mixtral and TinyLlama against GPT 3.5. Here's what actually saves money without killing performance and what doesn't. This isn't just about API costs, it's about architectural sustainability. Traditional approaches like prompt optimization and caching only reduce costs by 20 to 30% in most scenarios, while some use cases can see up to 90% cost reduction. The real problem is monolithic models activate tens of billions of parameters for every single token, even simple ones like the or and. The cost is most startups burn through runway 3 times faster than planned just on inference. Here's exactly where traditional approaches break down. Mixture of Experts solves this by activating only relevant neural pathways per token. Instead of running all 70 billion parameters, it routes each token to specialized expert networks. The key breakthrough is sparse activation patterns. This enables 75% cost reduction while maintaining 95% performance quality, if not exceeding previous performance. Mistral AI benchmarked Mixtral 8x7b against Llama 2 70b and found equivalent outputs using only 13 billion active parameters instead of 70 billion. Here's how it works under the hood. Think of Mixture of Experts as a smart dispatch system. Your input token goes through a router network that analyzes context and assigns it to the most relevant expert specialists. Each expert handles different knowledge domains where one processes code, another handles natural language, and another manages mathematical reasoning. Only 2 experts activate per token instead of the entire model. Let's walk through a real implementation. You start with a router network that analyzes each token's semantic meaning and context. The system assigns probability scores to 8 available experts based on relevance patterns learned during training. The crucial part is top K gating. This mechanism ensures only the highest scoring experts process each token, creating massive computational savings. Different MOE approaches serve different needs. TinyLlama demonstrates efficiency at the small scale with 1.1b parameters for resource-constrained environments, while Mixtral shows how MOE enables large-scale efficiency by activating only 13b of its 47b parameters to match GPT 3.5 performance. Benchmarks show dramatic efficiency gains. Traditional 70 billion parameter models consume 140 gigabytes of VRAM and process tokens at high cost. Mixtral achieves equivalent performance to Llama 2 70b while requiring 90 to 100 gigabytes VRAM and half precision, but delivering 80% lower computational cost and 6x faster inference through its sparse activation pattern that uses only 13 billion of its 47 billion parameters per token. But the real game changer is deployment flexibility. You can run Mixtral on a single high-end GPU, while traditional large models require multi-GPU clusters. Here's what that looks like in production. Understanding Mixture of Experts requires 3 key insights. First, the routing mechanism is the theoretical foundation. This determines which experts handle which tokens based on learned patterns. Second, sparse activation is the practical consideration. Only a subset of the model runs for each token, dramatically reducing compute requirements. Third, architectural efficiency is the crucial decision. You get large model capabilities at small model costs. The most important concept to grasp is expert specialization. You'll recognize when you need this approach when you're processing diverse content types or need consistent performance at scale. Here's how this fits into your existing architecture. This transforms expensive monolithic inference into affordable specialized processing. You go from burning thousands monthly on API calls to running equivalent models locally or at fraction of cloud costs. The numbers speak for themselves. Mixtral matches GPT 3.5 performance, while TinyLlama delivers solid results for simpler tasks at nearly zero cost. Your next step, implement Mixture of Experts evaluation in your current pipeline. Try it with your existing prompts and measure both performance and cost. Drop a comment with your results, especially if you're running production workloads. What's your biggest challenge with LLM costs right now? I'm planning videos on model optimization, local deployment, and hybrid architectures, so let me know what you want to see next. If you found this content valuable, be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in the AI space. Looking to level up your skills, bring real value to your organization, or finally build your first AI application grounded in truth, whether domain-specific or general, head over to our site and sign up for the Production RAG Foundations course. This isn't a self-paced, watch-and-forget kind of course. It's hands-on, contains notebooks that can be used in production environments, and designed to help you build real production-ready retrieval augmented generation systems. You'll go beyond surface-level tools, diving into vector databases, embeddings, chunking strategies, and more, without falling into the trap of bloated, over-engineered solutions. Seats are limited and spots are filling fast. Early signups get access to our private community and let you strut your stuff across the leaderboard with AI competitions that will help build your portfolio. Check it out. We'd love to have you on board.